look what I've got. Yeah, guys, this is from Kickstarter. It's Nitronic's Anti-Snore Pillow. Hold it, I forgot to say something else. AI Anti-Snore Pillow. Yeah, guys, that's what this is. And that's why I've got it on top of my bed. Yeah, so it's let's have a look at this. Sleep-friendly snore intervention, AI precise snore detection, all-in-one portable design, ultra-quiet micro pump, German BASF, don't know what that means, memory foam. Okay, that's it, guys. This is it. What I'm gonna do an unboxing, just a quick unboxing to show you guys what this is. And I'm sure you've never seen this before, because as I said, I got this from Kickstarter. You know, my favorite platform to find new gadgets that have come out there. And hey, sorry to say, I'm a snorer. Yeah, guys. And when my missus saw me unbox this, she was so happy. She said,
"Oh, what's that?"
I said, "It's an anti-snore pillow." She goes,
"I hope it damn works, because if it does, I'll be so happy I can get a good night's sleep."
without kicking me or pushing me and punching me. So, yep, guys. Obviously, I'm not going to try it out now, but I'm going to unbox it, show you what it is for all you snorers out there. And I'm sure there are many of you, because it's a common thing nowadays, all this snoring. Like, I wish I didn't do it, but hey, what can I do? So right, let's get it out the box, see what comes in the box, and then see if it's worth its money. And that's it, guys. That's the box open. So what you've got here, you've got a bit of literature here. The AI Anti-Snore Pillow A1 user manual. This is, let's get this open, a charging cable, because it's going to be charged in at night, guys. USB-A to USB-C. So it's got a USB-C end. Really, really good. And what's this now? This is the charging plug, I presume, which I'm not going to use because I'm in the UK and we don't have this type of plug here. So, but that's what came in the box, and the pillow itself, all wrapped up, suction wrapped. Oh, I'm going to need to cut this open. Yeah, guys, this is totally wrapped. Yeah, as most pillows are. Mattresses, pillows, they usually come to you wrapped. You know what? Let me go and get me scissors. Right, guys, I've got me scissors. Let's cut it open. There it is. Chuck that over there and get it out the bag. So that's it, guys. Woo! Oh, it's very soft. Very soft. Less snoring, better life. I tell you something, my missus will agree with that one, I'm telling you. If it does work. So that's it, guys. There's not much to look at as far as it being a pillow, but I can feel some gubbins here. Right, I can feel, hold it, this is a case. Let me take this off, guys. This is a cover, I should say. This is a cover. Let me get this cover off and give you a look at what is inside the cover. Let's get that away. Right, guys. Okay. Right, so you've got this bit here. That's obviously I haven't read the manual, guys, as you've seen. I've just taken it out the box just to show you what comes in the box. That's one bit there. And this is the other bit, the actual pillow itself. It's made out of soft memory foam, guys. Very, very soft memory foam. And there's a pad here. You might be able to just make out the outline there. Can you see it, guys? And it goes around this back end of the pillow. So there's a pad there, and this here are the controls. Yeah, guys. Wi-Fi, ZZ, don't know what that means. There's your power port and an on and off switch. That's on, that's off. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's just a quick unboxing of the Nitronic powered by AI Anti-Snore Pillow. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to use it tonight, use it for a few days, to be quite honest with you, after I've read the manual, and then I'll make an update video on whether it worked or not. But I'm going to give it a good go. I'm going to give it a few days. Say it's Friday now. Sometime next week, I'll get back to you guys with an update video on whether this works or not, with all the links, etc., to where to get it if it does. Because if this works, guys, this is a game changer. This is a game changer. From what I'm going to put a link to the Kickstarter in this video, to be quite honest with you, so you can see the bump, yeah? You can watch a video that they've got on the Kickstarter website, go through some of the technical specs, go through some of the information bits on how it works and what it does. But I've actually got one to use. So I'm going to be the tester. You can read the literature, you can read all about it, but I've got one to try, and then I'll tell you guys in my update video. Yep, don't forget to like and subscribe for that. Yeah, guys, like this one anyway. Yeah, subscribe, put your notification bell on to watch the update video on whether this thing works. Because as I said earlier, if it does, this is a game changer for us snorers, but more importantly, the person that's sleeping next to you. I'm telling you guys, if they don't snore, yeah, if they do snore, you can both snore together. But if you don't snore, if they don't snore, they're going to want you to have this. Yeah, guys. So until the next video, the next update video on this, I will catch you guys later.